Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OWCP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Monday. That is where these red lines are coming from as resistance. And overall today, very, very nice recovery. Still work to be done. But from where it started the day and where things were, especially when you factor in the momentum from yesterday, that just really shows how good of a day it was. I get it. Yeah, the price was nice and green on the day. When you just stop and think about the fact that going into today, there is a whole lot of downwards momentum for the price to basically just immediately stop and then recover back upwards. You don't really see that too often. A lot of times things go down and then they have to drift sideways for a little bit and then they start to work its way back upwards. But this one literally just stopped and went back up. Once again, still work to be done, but you got to give credit where credit's due. A nice step in the right direction on the bulls' part. With that being said, want to get kind of a little mile marker, as I would call it, into play as far as supports are concerned to kind of gauge the health of this current bounce. Because there's no doubt about it, yeah, the price has made a nice move, bounce to the upside. But, how's the overall health of it? Well, keep an eye on 0.063, meaning if the price were to come down to this level and then just crash down through it, at that point, that's starting to put the price right back to where it was, and not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas on the flip side of things, if the price came down here, behaved like that, and then began to work its way back upwards, well, at least at that point in time, you'd have a situation where you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that low down there if you envision each of those as stair-steps. Well, hey, now you have stair-steps making progress, and that's what a truly strong bounce is going to do. It's just going to make progress over time. As far as where the sellers are at, nothing new here to report from the previous videos. 0.085 and then up there at 11.5 are going to be the next couple levels going forward. But all in all, overall, nice bounce. Now it's just a question of can the price start to build upon this momentum going forward. We'll see what happens, but still 3 days left this week, so it's taking shape to be a pretty interesting potential recovery. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.